I just want to introduce myself. My name is Kevin Ebsworth, and I'd just like to say thank you for taking the time to watching this video. The reason why I'm doing this video is because of the fact that I have created a free training on how to set up and start making money within 14 days. Now, I know people are very skeptical when it comes to making money online, and let me tell you now that you can make money online. I know you've probably struggled, and there's been programs out there that have promised you stuff and you've been bamboozled with absolutely everything that's come at you in there, because it's too much information. There's too much information to take on. And especially if you're a beginner and you have no idea what certain things were or are, and I can help you with that. So that's why I've set up a done for you service. So as soon as you follow the steps that I've put into this training, I put in there something that allows me to be able to go in and create absolutely everything for you, just to help get you started. Now, I know people are out there that have said that making money online is easy with this and easy with that, but they leave out vital information. This is something that I don't do. I leave no stone unturned. I share absolutely everything. And I even share my top traffic sources, okay, that help generate you an income online. So everything is all set up easy for you. I want you guys to put down into the comments, tell me what you struggled with when you first started, or what you're struggling with now. And I'm gonna take my time and I'm gonna go through all the comments, and I'm going to help as many people as I possibly can, because I'm getting fed up with this. I'm getting fed up with people being left on the shelf. I'm helping people that aren't even with me or in my team, but I'm helping them because of the fact that I want to help them. Something that I feel happy doing. I'm going to give my time up to help as many people as I possibly can. And I want to show you the right way of making money online. I want to show you an ethical way of making money online. So with that note, click down below. The link in there for my free training is in the comments, and also leave in the comments what you think of this video, what you think of the training. If you think I need to include anything else, go ahead, just let me know. And I want to hear what your pain was. I want to know what you were fed up with or what you were stuck with. I just want to know anything that I can help you with. Okay, so go ahead and leave a comment down below this video.